March 8, the International Women Day, raising the voice of equality. In 2021 theme, Women in Leadership, raising the equal future in the COVID-19 world. Today, we'll know its short history. 1945, the Charter of the United Nations became the first international agreement to affirm the principle of equality between women and men. The UN celebrated its first official International Women's Day on 8 March during International Women's Year in 1975. 2 years later, in December 1977, the General Assembly adopted a resolution proclaiming a United Nations Day for Women's Rights and International Peace to be observed on any day of the year by member states, in accordance with their historical and national traditions. International Women's Day first emerged from the activities of labor movements at the turn of the 20th century across North America and Europe. The first National Women's Day was observed in the United States on February 28, 1909, which the Socialist Party of America dedicated in honor in the 1908 garment workers' strike in New York, while women protest against the harsh working condition in 1917. Women in Russia chose to protest and strike under the slogan Bread and Peace. Their movement ultimately led to the enactment of women's suffrage in Russia. International Women's Day is an occasion to celebrate the progress made towards achieving gender equality and women's empowerment, but also to critically reflect on those accomplishments and strive for a greater momentum toward gender equality worldwide. It is a day to recognize the extraordinary acts of women and to stand together as a united force to advance gender equality around the world.